actually know the shout out, so if you can't hear me that guys, I'm not realised I should be. Sorry guys. Yeah. On top of that in there. But I can't see. Come in. Come in. Go downstairs. Okay, my nan wants to be in it in a minute.
Your nan doesn't want to be in it.
She does. She's just doing her hair at the minute. Where am I going? But, come on.
I do not.
There's my nan. Oh, there's the kid. Cute, isn't it? Oh damn, I just dropped it. Sorry, I'm gonna get going. I haven't eaten yet. All I've had is a croissant and I'm so hungry. And I got homework to do. Gotta go bye. And again, shout out to Tia as well. What you do to get a shout out will be in the description below. So please check that out and see you all next time. Goodbye.